Is your Samsung TV dimming unexpectedly? Don't worry, I've got you covered with 5 methods to fix this issue. Step 1. Check Eco Sensor settings. The Eco Sensor automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on the light in the room. To turn this off, go to Settings, then General, then Eco Solution, and finally, Eco Sensor. Set it to off. Step 2. Adjust the Ambient Light Detection. This feature detects the light in your environment and adjusts your screen brightness accordingly. To disable it, head to Settings, then General, then Eco Solution, and finally, Ambient Light Detection. Set it to off. Step 3. Disable Power Saving Mode. Power Saving Mode can dim your TV to save energy. Navigate to Settings, General, Eco Solution, Power Saving Mode, and then select Off. Step 4. Turn off Intelligent Mode. Intelligent Mode optimizes picture settings based on your surroundings but can sometimes cause dimming. To turn this off, go to Settings, General, Intelligent Mode Settings, and then select Off. Step 5. Update the TV software. Outdated software can sometimes cause display issues. To check for updates, go to Settings, Support, Software Update, and then select Update Now. If the problem persists, consider contacting Samsung support for further assistance.